This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello, it's us, Topsy and Tim.
Topsy's coming home today.
Coming home.
Dad and I are collecting Topsy from the hospital.
OK, in you get, please, Tim. Let's go, go, go.
Mummy's been staying with her, and I can't wait to see them both.
Right. Oh, no, look at the mud on me.
Ah.
Yeah! We need to get this car washed.
Yeah, we do. Oh.
Hi, love. It's Mummy.
Oh, we're leaving right now.
Ow! Sorry, say that again. Yep, yeah, I can get them. Do you know where Topsy keeps them? Yeah, OK, I'll look there. See you in a bit, bye. I need to get a few things for Topsy, Tim. You wait here,
Oh,
OK?
okay, yeah.
I won't be long. Afternoon, Mr. Fenn.
Hello there, Brian.
Mr. Fenn, would you mind keeping an eye on Tim for me, please? I'll be 2 minutes.
No problem.
Thank you.
Whilst Dad's in the house getting things for Topsy, I see two people walking along the road. I can't see who they are until they get closer, and then I recognise them.
Oh! Hi, Josie!
Josie's a year older than Topsy and me. She's one of our neighbours.
Are you going to see Topsy?
Yeah, we're going to bring her home right now. You're wearing glasses.
Yeah, they're the same colour as my bike.
Oh, yeah, red and red.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Brian.
We've got to go. Topsy and Joy are waiting for us at the hospital, sorry.
Okay.
Ooh, your new glasses really suit you, Josie.
Thank you, Miss Ryodale. I can see everything really clearly when I wear them.
That's great. Right, Tim, are we ready?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. OK, see you later.
Say hi to Topsy from me.
I will.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Mr. Fenn.
Right. Here we come.
I can't wait to bring her home. Bye.
Hi, Tim. Is Daddy with you? Hi.
Mummy, where's Topsy?
Oh, she's in the play zone with Molly.
Can I go and find them, please?
Yeah, of course you can.
Don't run, Tim.
Oh, sorry. Topsy, hi.
Hi, Tim. Do you like our mask?
Molly has a tiger mask. Topsy looks like Little Moon Bunny.
Boing, boing.
Oh, Brent, please can I have a mask?
Yeah, of course you can. Right here. There you go. There's a little pink one that we made earlier.
Oh, thank you. Oh, brilliant, thanks. Wow, I love it. Thanks, Brent.
No problem.
Boing, boing, boing,
Come on, let's go and show Mummy and Dad.
Okay.
Come on.
Hello, Piggy.
Hello.
Look at you guys.
Boing, boing, boing.
Topsy, Here's the notepad you asked for.
Oh, thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Molly, we can write to each other on my doggy paper. Yeah. And we can be pen pals. Thank you.
Oh, Brian, did you bring that other thing for Topsy?
Oh, yes, I did.
Oh,
No.
did you bring it?
I did. I had him here somewhere.
There.
I can't see him. Where?
In your bag.
There? No.
There he is.
Oh, there's little monkey. Hello. I'm looking for a friend. Can you help me?
Oh, I know the perfect friend for you. I give little monkey to Molly so he can swing on her crutches. Thank you, Topsy. I love him.
Okay, guys, time to go.
Oh, Brian, can you take that bag?
Okay. Bye, Molly. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Molly. Get well soon. Okay, let's say goodbye to everyone.
Write to me. I will. See you.
Bye. Thanks for everything. Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Plenty of rest now, Topsy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks so much, Yolanda. Bye.
These are brilliant.
I'm going to write to Molly as soon as we
That is a really good idea.
Oh.
I'll miss my new friends at the hospital, but I can't wait to go home. Where is our car, Dad?
Good point.
In the car park.
What's that?
No, it does look a bit like it, but our car is much dirtier than that.
Can't see it.
Where is it?
There it is!
Ah!
Oh,
Well
Topsy.
spotted.
Good girl.
Okay, let's
You
get
in.
these bags in the boot.
Look, the Mud family is smiling now. I did that.
Did you? It's just like us, isn't it? Our family all back together again. Happy.
I wonder if you'd all like a quick trip through the car wash
Yes, please.
on the way up to clean our poor muddy car.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes. But then I see something. But look at our wheel.
Oh no.
I think we've got a flat tyre.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's flat, Dad. I wanted to go to the car wash.
I know, sweetie, I know. 1 second.
Then Dad has an idea. He makes a call to helpful drivers.
Are all the buses out? Great. Okay, no. We've picked up Topsy from the hospital and I've got a flat tyre. Yeah, I can fix it here, but if you can send a bus for joining the kids, that would be great. Rhiannon's free. She'll be here in 5 minutes.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. Should we get you guys in the shade?
Go and sit in the shade
Yeah.
and I'll get your car seats out ready for Rhiannon.
We sit down and wait for Rhiannon to come and collect us. I spy my little eye something beginning with S.
While we wait, we play a family game of I Spy.
Sausages! Okay. I spy.
Hey!
Why did I something beginning with ba?
Bus!
Yay!
Very good, okay.
Take
let's
it
get
easy,
the seat.
Topsy.
Can I take a seat?
Yeah, of course you can.
You take yours. Good
Okay.
boy. Steady on, darling. I'll help you.
Hey!
Hi, Rhiannon. Topsy.
Okay.
Great, thank you.
Yeah, good, thank you.
We can go to the car wash another day.
Yes, we can. Exactly. Hi, Rhiannon. Thanks for rescuing us.
Rhiannon drives us home, and Dad stays to change the tyre. When we get home, Topsy gets into bed and falls straight to sleep.
Thanks, dear. Topsy will sleep really well tonight, back in her own snuggy bed, won't she?
So glad you and Topsy are back now.
Oh.
Me too.
Come on, into bed. Slippers off.
Boy.
Dad, can I tell you both something?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course you can.
Well, I don't think my eyes are working properly. I can't see things very clearly.
Okay. When did you first notice this?
Well, I couldn't really see the whiteboard at school.
Isn't it? So we've got 3 words on the board now. Tim, can you read them out for us? you want to come and sit at the front? We'll try again.
Water, hospital, appendix,
Excellent. Well done, Tim.
and I also couldn't really see Josie Miller walking down the road. Oh, Oh! Hi, Josie! Hi, Tim!
I don't think you've got anything to worry about, Tim. You might just need to wear glasses sometimes, like Josie.
Yeah, and Josie's wearing red glasses to match her bike. Her bike's really. And that's when Mummy said, I will book you an appointment to get your eyes tested as soon as possible.
Tell you what, Tim. I will book you an appointment to get your eyes tested as soon as possible, okay?
Okay, thanks. Then I can wear glasses like Josie Miller and little Stevie Dunton
Yeah.
and Mr. Morris, my teacher.
Yeah, you might. Okay, off to sleep. Night, night.
And that said, Dad, was that.